Wagwan guys, is Upwork finally bringing us more clients after cutting marketing for years? I was watching a YouTube video just trying to unwind after a long day, and out of nowhere an Upwork ad pops up. I was like, wait, what's this? Is Upwork now trying to throw money into ads to pull in more clients so we freelancers can get more jobs? Or is it just me starting to notice this particular advert? Maybe because I now newly fit into their targeted audience. I was just thinking of this. I know Upwork, how they slashed their marketing budget to get more profit. Is this a sign that is changing? I was just thinking like, waiting they happen by you. Let's gist about this. I remember discussing this, but barely remember the facts from rumors. So I dig to check the matter, and the truth I found is that Upwork really cut their sales and marketing spending around 2023, 2024-ish to focus on stopping their loss so that they can actually write profits. They reduced it by 16% to I think 185 million or so in 2024, and that actually helped them get about 216 million profit that year. In the second quarter of this year, I learned that their marketing costs actually dropped 22% to I think 37 million naira, just I think 19% down from 2020, from 25% last year. I know these numbers are somehow, but I would bring it all home. They even have fewer clients now, down by I think 8% to I think 900 and let's say 900, I think 796,000 this year. But here is the sweet part for it all. Each client is spending 5% more than they used to, thanks to their AI and their premium plan, bringing in bigger projects and not the smaller projects that they had before. Although they've always had bigger projects. That ad I saw on YouTube, it doesn't look like they are going all out with ads everywhere. There is no big talk about heavy Google or YouTube campaigns in their 2025 reports that I saw. Maybe it's just a small move to attract big companies since they already work with 30% of Fortune 100, or maybe it's just my phone's algorithm playing tricks on me. I'm just wondering. But this shuts down that old gist about them stopping marketing completely. I saw their ad myself. So they are still spending on marketing, just maybe smarter, and their revenue actually went up 1% to I think 195 million in the second quarter of this year, with a target of about 765 to 775 million for the whole year. So more jobs for us freelancers near now. Not plenty small jobs, but likely bigger ones. Yeah, the competition for the big jobs still exists, will still exist. These are just my opinion actually. Let me pass that caveat. Now, like there's a higher chance of getting bigger jobs, but the competition for those bigger jobs still exists. Why am I thinking this way? Because Upwork is actually clearly chasing premium spenders with deeper pockets. What's your take? Are you seeing this Upwork moves too, or it's just me? This is a video that I'm not making this video say I'm trying to teach you something. I'm actually wondering. I'm actually just thinking left and right in your presence, like to get your own thoughts too. So please drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's gist about this. I actually posted about this in my community post, I think sometimes last week or thereabout. And if you don't check the community post of this channel, you are missing out on a lot. You can go out to check it, and you would see that you shouldn't be missing. Then when you see any community post, like it. If you can, comment. I understand most of us can just like and move, but if you can, comment so that YouTube will bring more of my community posts to you. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.